how to add a payment method in Roblox. So if you want to add a payment method in your Roblox, then first you need to open up your browser and you can simply go for the search and then search for roblox.com/home, which will take you directly to your home page under your Roblox, right? So if you've not logged in, then you need to simply log into your account on your Roblox. Once you've logged in, go for the settings, which is on the upper right, and then again click on settings. Under your settings here on the left, you will have a bunch of options. Go for the option which is payment methods. Under payment method, if you have not saved any payment method and if you want to add a payment method, then you need to simply go for add. But instead of this payment method, you will have an option of billing. So you need to simply go for the billing and then you can add a payment method. So simply click on the add and here you can add a payment method. You can choose your credit or debit card. You need to enter the card number, the expiry date, CVC number, billing email address, and the billing address. Once you enter all of that, go for the save, which is on the bottom, and you can save your card. So that's how you can add a payment method on your Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.